The Apple Mac Mini is here. The new Mac Mini has a 7th generation Intel 8-core, with 4K and 5K display support, up to 16GB of RAM, Thunderbolt 3, and USB 3.0 ports for connectivity, and the latest 802.11 AC wireless technology. The Mac Mini provides a desktop experience in an incredibly small package that's perfect for living room setups or home offices. Check out this incredible machine now. Apple Mac Mini with M1. The Apple M1 chip takes our generally flexible, do-it-all work area into another aspect. With up to 3x quicker central processor execution, up to 6x quicker designs, a high-level brain motor for up to 15x quicker AI. Prepare to work, play, and make on Macintosh smaller than normal with speed and power past anything you at any point envisioned. Technical details: Apple Mac Mini with Apple M1 chip. Processor: Apple M1 chip 8-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, 8-core GPU, 16-core neural engine. Connections and expansion: 2 Thunderbolt, USB 4 ports with support for DisplayPort, Thunderbolt 3, up to 40 gigabits per second, USB 3.1 General 2, up to 10 gigabits per second, Thunderbolt 2, HDMI, DVI, and VGA supported using adapters, sold separately, 2 USB-A ports, up to 5 gigabits per second, HDMI 2.0 port, Gigabit Ethernet port, configurable to 10 gigabits Ethernet, 3.5mm headphone jack. Wireless: 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6 wireless networking IEEE 802.11a B per gram, N, AC compatible, Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology.